Check, check, check. What is good, everybody? DrewCharts here with the famous Sunday Market Outlook. Hold on, let's see if we are good. Let's see if the sound levels are good. Starts on my toes and the skin on my nose. Always know wherever you go. Yeah, okay. The sound is good. Alright, cool. So, we're making some nice downtrend structure on daily. As we see, we're creating lower lows and lower highs. Do, So, this week we are at a daily support. Look, they're at this daily support. This is a strong daily support, so I would not be surprised if we see some reaction off of here and respect these levels and come back up to 46,000 area or even 46,250. Would not be surprised if we came up to 46,250 at all. You know? Forgive me for the pause. So yeah, short-term buys up to 46,250. What are we looking like now? Like we look like buyers stepped in. If I were to get into this though, I would want to see one more drop. Sorry. One more higher low at the daily support we have drawn, and then something like that. Something like that. Or let me get something simple, like maybe we just go to the next daily support, touch the EMAs or something, and we don't truly know what it's going to look like. It has to form first. But there will be a point where like, alright, we're ready to go. Like here. Boom. Huge ass rejection candle. And then we have this double top formation. 1, 2, another double top within a double top. And then those two beautiful bearish candles. First lower high and then dump. Came right up into the EMA or MA. Respected this level. This was a great trade right here. Broke the counter trend line. Came respected the daily support. Engulfing. Like what? Short. Took it on the close of that. No down draw. Or maybe 1 point or something like that. Right to the daily support level. That would have been a beautiful trade. But yeah, short-term buys up to 46,250 for me, and we'll see how it reacts when we get there, because we don't know if it's gonna look like that. We don't know if it's gonna look like that, and we don't know if it could possibly even look like that. We don't know how deep it's gonna be. Pause. Yeah, but real shit, we don't know how deep the retracement is going to be. At all. At all. $38.2, 61.8, or beyond. Or beyond. Let's see, what was this one? This was a 61.8. We still have not reached the first TP area based off of this swing high to swing low for this Fibonacci right here. We printed on the 61.8, and yeah, we still yet to have reached TP1 to TP2, so we could get like a little miniature higher low and then continue down to these areas before getting a real explosive 4-hour retracement to the upside to create that market structure lower high. What's MNQ looking like? NASDAQ looks similar. NES as well, SPX 500. But yeah, short-term buys up to this area. Boop. Boop. Let's see what happens. But remember, like, I say short-term buys, but I'm also looking for sells more than anything, because the selling pressure that is upon us, we're under the EMAs on the 4-hour, like, and every time it comes to touch these EMAs, it drops hard. So if I have to wait for this move all week and I capitalize a 4K on each account with a big ass move, like, I'll wait till Thursday to get this move. I'm tired of getting these little ass, I don't want to sound ungrateful, but I'm tired of getting these little ass $600, $900, $1,100 moves. Like, just give me one good ass move for the week. I'll make 3,000-4,000 across all my accounts, and I'm straight. I want to catch the big moves. I want to catch the moves based off H1, H4. I want to catching these 5-minute shits, and then getting out, and then that shit runs like this. Like, I want to catch a whole fucking move like that. Best believe that. Best believe that. Oh, we up. Take risk off. It's because why not? Actually, I don't know. Push up to here and we finish the account. We're funded with Lucid. Oh no. I feel like if I leave it there though, it's gonna get hit. trust it. I'm taking risk off. I don't want to lose any. I don't want to keep the 175 risk there, so I'm going to just take the risk off. I'm going to trust it. I feel like we can get it just a clean push up to this area right here. Alright. Got that engulfing. Yeah, we're straight. Man, beautiful moves. Beautiful move. This is a great time to be trading. A lot of shit going on with the war, but like, sell. That's what that means. Sell. Like, as traders, we can make money from the buy or the sell. So when crisis shit happens in life, and everybody's losing money when they're buying, we can make money when we sell. You know, so something to be mindful of. Man, my SPY puts, boy, I probably would have turned $30 to 3K if I would have held them hoes. That shit was up here. I was up here when I made, what was it, 300, 400%. Ooh, we gotta burst up. What do we look like on a 3-minute? Let's double it up, like double chart it, and let's get 1 3-minute, and give me 1 15-minute. This helps me because I see what's going on in the 15, and I see what's going on in the lower time frame. So I need to start seeing some bear candles if I want the 15 to come down and create one higher low before we continue up. Then I could get like a good entry. And if I don't see that on here, then I know it's probably not coming. If it don't happen on the 3, it's not going to happen on the 15. If we don't start getting some purple selling candles on the 3-minute, we're not going to get a purple selling candle on the 15. So yeah, something to be mindful of. Thank you guys for tuning in though. Wait, what did we do last week? We reached a goal on our I forget what I was saying. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. We up 150 on this. Come on, push to 560 and we straight, bro. Push to 560 and we straight. Keep going. We're gonna wake up tomorrow, be funded with lucid trading. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that whole push. Look at her go. Alright, with that being said, man, I'm out of here. Going to bed. Hey, Aaliyah. Too bad. Lily, I'm sorry. Can't open my chat to get to you. You know what? We're gonna go over AUD USD. Daily. Oh, sheesh. The daily fell down to the MAs. Currently looks like we're respecting them, but draw a trend line, right? We technically broke under that trend line. So what that means is it's likely to, if we don't make a full recovery up here and come use the trend line as support to continue up, then what is going to happen is price is going to try to come up to the trend line. It's going to reject, show exhaustion, try again. If it fails again and we see a lower high, she's going lower. She's going lower. Consolidation, uptrend, consolidation. Yeah, this is transitioning to a downtrend for sure. For shizzle. We get engulfing here though, we could catch some buys on the retrace to create that lower high. Man. Come on, push. No, we're falling down. No, I believe it. I'm gonna leave it. Like, look at push, push. Like, I feel like we can push from here. Damn it. But we might get a retracement, lower, higher, low, and then continue. But just gonna leave it. And taking it. I don't like that candle. We have a whole lot of room to come down and create a higher low. Like, look where we're at. We're at a level of resistance. So what I see happening fall all the way back down here. And then explode up. I could be wrong, but I know how gold is. Very turbulent. Like the sea, as my lady would say. So probably create a lower high, come down to this area. Like, I like these engulfings, but I would like more. I would be more confident with one more higher low right around here. Because usually after some nice engulfings like that, I'll make one more higher low before continuing up to these areas. $335 left. We need $401 to pass the account. So, alright. Thank you for tuning in. Short term buys. Create a lower high. Continue the downtrend. Maybe see 43,000 this week. Maybe. Alright. Talk to you guys in the middle of the week. Do a midweek recap around Wednesday or so. Alright. No trading for me tomorrow. Powell speaks, and I just need to take a little break. Alright. Take it easy. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching the replay if you weren't able to tune in. Peace.